This is video number 2 of the flashing lightning and weird rain. If it were colder, I would say this rain would be hail. This almost looks like tornado weather. I could be wrong, but you know, it's just really weird. The storm, the clouds are moving pretty fast, but it's like continuous layers of clouds, and the lightning just is going and going and going. The rain's heavy, big droplets, and the wind's pretty high in small spurts though. I wonder if this is tornado weather. I mean, it's just, the sky is just phenomenal right now. This is at the front porch of my house at the moment. This is so cool. I've never seen a storm like this. And it's very hot out. Quite warm. Okay, this is video 2 of the really weird freaky storm outside my house.